Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see an inventory term called safety stock. The average amount of stock and when the new order is received. This will vary with the no stockout safety assurance level established. The safety stock level depends on deviation in delivery time for the carrier, order fulfillment required for the vendor, and sales or production requirement which are serviced by the storage of operation. Safety stock cost, which are the cost of retaining stock to meet deviation of an unpredictable nature, may be added to the other direct and hidden logistic costs in computing an optimum economic logistic quantity in the logistic channel planning. Of course, the safety stock can be kept either in the channels of distribution or in the manufacturing setup. In the manufacturing setup, depending upon the type of manufacturing strategy, the safety stock can be provided either at raw material or WIP or finished goods. If we are talking about make to order manufacturing strategy, then the safety stock is usually provided in the raw material stage, whereas in make to stock item, the safety stock is provided at the finished goods level. But in any case, we need to optimize the safety stock level. In general, as a thumb rule, the safety stock cannot exceed 20% of overall inventory level. There are various statistical methods to arrive at the exact number of safety stock, and also it depends upon the level of customer service required to be provided. Thanks for watching. Bye.